What is up, DIY fam? All right, so welcome back to the AC01 Flip House. We are back out here and we got a lot accomplished. So you can see we got a new dumpster because we completely filled the other dumpster up. These guys ripped out almost all the flooring on the back side of the house out down to the joist. And we got back into the back there and there was a lot of interesting things going on there. The house was built with 4x6s, so 3.5 by 5.5 inches, and then they were laid on a 4x6. So here's the thing, they were on the wall in the back, but they weren't even touching the girder in the front. So I'm pretty sure we just have to redo that whole thing. And I'm almost sure we're gonna have to redo all the joists across the back. Now, when we climbed underneath the house over here yesterday, all the joists on that side, I would say about 90% of them were still in good shape. We poked on them and there was no rot, so we're gonna go ahead and keep those. We may have to sister on a couple of them, but other than that, the rest of it is in good shape. Jesse's inside right now cutting blocking for the wall that's gonna get cabinets on it, just because I need something for her to do. And I'm gonna go in there and continue finishing out that wall so that she can continue blocking all the way down. I'm not sure what all we're supposed to be getting done today, but I'm sure some progress will get done. And I'll check back in with you guys on that progress throughout the day. You guys have a nice day today, and I'll check back in with you. Holla. What is up, DIY fam? All right, so welcome back here with an update on our progress. Jessie is slap wore out because she has been putting these blocks in all day. What are those blocks for, you ask? Those are for when the cabinets come in. That way you don't have to waste all day looking for the center of a stud. You can just drill right into those blocks. It's pretty common. So anyway, right now what I have been working all day is prepping this floor over here because I'm going to put a beam up there. Our ceiling seems to be sagging quite a bit right here in this area right here. So I figured just to break it up a little bit, I go ahead and put a header up there. That way I can straighten it out a little bit, and even if it doesn't completely straighten out, it'll break it up from one room to the other so you can't really see the sag in it. It's not that bad. But anyway, that is the plan right now. I still got to go build my other wall and put the beam in, but after that I think we're going to call it a day and call it a week, because it is Friday and it is Friday the 13th. So maybe some strange things going on out there, like a full moon we didn't expect, huh? What about that? All right, guys, that's all I got for you right now. I will check back in with you some progress later. Holla.
What can I do? Anything?
Right now, nothing, but I can have you do something else.
Okay, well, if you need me to do something, I'm right here.
Okay. Oh, wow, look at that. My hammer somewhere?
A regular hammer?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's over here in this,
Alright. Grab that.
That's why I didn't want to stand in there. Alright, does it go on this block here? Right?
Alright, yes. Now take that block and my ladder's in the way. Man, this whole middle is like, I'm glad we did this because this gotta go. I mean, gotta go up. Am I not in there? Did you hear me talking?
Yeah, I can't see it. I can look. Yeah, you're not in there.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah, for now, that'll hold I'm sure.
You need to knock that over? You got it?
I mean, now this says that I gotta go up that much, but I don't believe that.
Well, there's a big gap. Do you see the big gap?
Huh?
On this end, there's like an inch.
Yeah,
Okay.
I see that.
Alright.
But, I mean...
I don't see any other gap, just there.
Alright, well, we'll go for it.
Is that because the board's crooked up there? The 2x4? I'll move it. You need it over?
Not necessarily. I mean, it's just to help it keep it off the ground so it's not falling into my block. Alright. I guess I'm just gonna go with it.
Guess what? You're gonna go
I guess
with
I'm
it?
just gonna go with it, yeah.
We're looking at it.
Mm-hmm. We are.
Yeah, that crack went away.
So, did that make it right or is that wrong? Because I feel like this is too tall.
Why don't you level it? You want a little level?
I'm going to. Alright, so it's like dead up right there. Yeah. So if I go any more, yeah, it looks like this side would need to go down if anything. So I'll probably just need to take some off of this one. I mean, that's money right there. And it's down right there. It looks like this, like it needs to go up right there. Weird. Weird.
Oh, you think there's something above it that's making it not go up?
I don't think so. Alright, here, hold that. I'm gonna try to keep on going here.
Or you're gonna knock it all the way in?
Maybe. Think I should take a little off?
I have no idea. You said it was level or the other side needed to go up.
Yeah, I might have buzzed it off.
Alright. We'll do that.
Woo! I bet that thing's big enough, huh? It's 4 foot right here. I got 4 foot all the way across. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it. It's better than it was. I mean, it was whacked out. All right. Yeah, I'll take the nail gun and everything now.
Alright team, looks like we made it to the end. I'll tell you what, that beam was a little bit challenging, but we were able to get it in. So if you have an open doorway and your ceiling is starting to sag, hopefully I brought you some inspiration so that you can come up with an idea to fix your situation yourself. And hey, if today's video brought you any value, you can help out the crew here at rentthisflipthat by going down and smacking that like button. It only takes a second, but it does wonders for the channel, and we do appreciate it. And hey, if you guys want to follow our progress on this AC01 remodel, don't forget to go down and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to turn on notifications so YouTube will notify you when we put out the next video. Alright you guys, that is going to do it for me on this one, and I hope to see you on the next one. Until next time, take care and stay safe. Peace!